Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a square minus b square. So for this one, we have a minus b. We need to create about a square minus b square because we want to cancel the square root. Now, to cancel about the square root, we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So, for this one, we multiply by number 2 plus the square root of s minus number 3 on numerator and denominator. So for this one, we have 4 minus s minus number 3, the power 2 of the square root, and we have s minus number 3 in here. So 4 minus negative number 3, we have positive number 7. So this one, we have 49, that is about 7 to the power of 2. And now we need to transform this one into this one in here. And that is about s minus 7 multiplied by s plus 7. So we need to put the negative on numerator and denominator. And this one, we have s minus number 7 because we just change the sign of 7 minus s into s minus 7 by negative sign in here. And now we need to simplify. Now we can put number 7 gone here and here. And then we have the final answer. And that is about negative 1/56. This is the end. Thank you for watching.